फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एग्रीकल्चर ममता चैनल। दोस्तों, आज बात करेंगे इस पौधे के बारे में। आप पहचान सकते हैं दोस्तों इसको? ये आप देखेंगे ज़मीन में, रोड के किनारे कहीं भी उगाता है अपने से। दोस्तों, इसको हम अब तक वीड समझ रहे थे, इसका फ़ायदा ज़्यादा ले नहीं पा रहे थे। इसके बारे में ज़्यादा डिटेल में बात करेंगे दोस्तों, और मैं इसके बारे में बताऊंगी कि क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स आप इससे ले सकते हैं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, ये इसका नाम भूमि आंवला है। दोस्तों, इसको आप बहुत सारी बीमारियों में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। लोकल नेम इसका बहुत सारा है जो मैं आपको डिटेल में बताऊंगी। आप ये जानें साइंटिफिक नेम इसका और कैसे आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं। उसके लिए साइंटिफिक नेम फाइलैंथस निरूरी है। फ्रेंड्स, दोस्तों, ये देखिए बीड्स की तरह, जैसे मोती होते हैं वैसे ये यहाँ पे डेवलप हुआ है। आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, दिस इज़ वेरी बेनिफिशियल। गलत हो रहा है फ्रेंड्स। दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज भूमि आमलाकी इन संस्कृत, also known as Dukang Anak. So many names are there in different areas. It is also called traditionally stone breaker, Puni Amla, Bhumia Malaki. These are the several names by which it is known. Bhumi Anala, at different places, different areas it is named after. Friends, it is really beneficial for diabetics as it helps in managing the blood sugar level, removes the salts, oxalate crystals is removal of oxalate crystals is facilitated by Bhumi Amla. All parts of the plant possess medicinal properties. Amla is helpful in liver disorders like jaundice. Friends, I will quote one example. At a point of time, my son got jaundice. At that time, my mother prepared a decoction out of this plant and gave her, and he was taking medicines, and this also facilitated him to recover fast. So coming to the next point, friends, it contains antioxidants, antiviral and liver protecting capacity. It is also known as hepatoprotective plant. Bhumi Amla is good for digestion, controls acidity as it reduces the gastric juice. It is helpful in reducing the kidney stone, friends. I have told the name stone breaker. Yeah, this has diuretic properties. That's why it's very important for those persons who are suffering from kidney stone. This gradually reduces the size of the stone and that comes out in urine. 1 or 2 tablets of Bhumi Amla twice a day helps to control skin problems due to its blood purifying properties. Bhumi Amla powder with water helps in preventing hair fall and promotes regrowth of hair, friends. This is really important point. Several names I have told, that I will be adding some more. Nella, Nelli, Kasya also in Kannada. Friends, after this I am coming to the point that it is really important in taking care of your liver. People who are suffering from fatty liver can use this plant and take care of themselves and their liver. It is very helpful since it detoxifies liver, helps you to become slim and trim naturally. With that, you need to drink plenty of water. That is a must. This helps in slimming down. You can use it for weight reduction. Heart diseases can also be controlled by this plant, friends. Intestinal disorders are cured by this plant. You take care of, continue your medication with the doctors and use this as side by side, and when you get relief from that, doctor tells that your problem is has been controlled, then you can leave the medication. In the medication has to be done in presence of guidance of some doctor also. Friends, this is really helpful in taking care of diabetes, asthma, TB, fever, breast problem, acidity, eye problem, cough and cold, bleeding disorder. Complete plant. In India we call it panchang. Complete plant is very helpful if you are making decoction out of it and making kadha out of it. Now you will ask, what is kadha? Kadha is when you put the plant in water and boil it for some time, and that the water which comes out of it, then you can take it. That is called kadha. It is helpful in malaria also, friends, cough and cold, and as I have told, it reverses the fatty liver. Friends, skin diseases can also be controlled by this plant. People who are suffering from menstrual flow, ladies, please use this and take care of your problem. That will be reduced, friends. Phyllanthus urinaria is helpful in taking care of urination problem. Helps in eliminating kidney and gallbladder stones, friends, as I have told, and I will emphasize on this because for this I will be making a separate video. Bhumi Amla helps in prostate problems in men. It is called Sampalukan also. Friends, this is helpful in treating the development of cancer. If somewhere cancer is developing, that also can be treated by this plant. It is helpful in getting rid of pain. If somewhere some person is having pain, that can be reduced or stopped by this plant. It is helpful in taking care of kidney, colic or acute kidney pains. Friends, this is really helpful in taking care of blood pressure also. So take the benefits, keep it inside your house, and you can grow it very easily. This grows enormously like a weed. Easily grown. So many names I have told. I will be adding some more. This is called mimosa weed also, chamber bitter, stone breaker I have told. So friends, get it inside in your garden and take care of your health. Take the health benefits. Thank you very much, friends. Keep liking and commenting on the videos. Friends, this one you can see, this is beads. These beads you can see. You can identify by this. Friends, bring it inside your house and take benefits. As I have told, this is very beneficial and our forefathers have used it. In Ayurveda, it's mentioned regarding this. Friends, thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And before leaving, please press the bell icon, friends. Thank you very much. Agriculture Mamta signing off.